Hello subscriber, today our topic are the lighting. Natural light is hitting on our system, and what system has been tolerance of a voltage. So we are discussing about that lights which has been tolerance on it. So first we have a clear that the what kind of a light has been hitting on our system. These lights has been hitting our system, and then it will be hits our system, and that will be effect on our systems, and that system has been default. This is that light is showing a natural light which is coming on our system, so we system has been affected on it. So what kind of a voltage has been occurred on it? So voltage tolerance from everydays to the development of a modern power transmission and the lighting surge has been a source of a troubleshooting and troublesome operations of a grid faults which affect the normal surge power in the phase under operation of a move over a fault of a permanent damages and equipment facilities. Permanent damages and the equipment facilities in the grids, and within a short duration the flash will be occurred on a system just like that. These flashing has been done on our systems through the natural fires and natural airs. So we sequence in the simple of a restart days of a some ripples everywhere under a protection measures in a designing for a lighting still representative the sum of a damages and the outage of a power transmission means we have a protection about the system which will be damages these lights. Damages are a control from that lights to be operate properly for a system and also protect the damages from these lights. The first we have a calculate the tolerance of a voltage, which voltage has been coming in that type of a natural lights. The function of a substations are function of a substations may act as a hub beam and the connected point of a several transmission lines in the distribution centers of a factors in the cities of a serving powers plant is in feeded. The being as the central point, the power transmission and the distribution chain involve the handling the energy in the strong effective field. The main purpose of a outdoor switchyard grounding is provided to the low resistance path at a point to discharge the energy fault current power frequencies. The in these type of faults, the main role has been played in from protect from natural lights. Its apparatus are in a device which called the lighting arrestor, or in other word we have been called that lighting arresters is surge arresters. That point will be shows that the surge arresters and he have a function, and this type has been connected within the ground, and that then if any fault or any electrical fault has been in a natural electric shock or an electrical light is hit on it, and then will be that arrestor has been connect within the ground, and then the supply has been goes toward the ground, not to our system to damage them. A chemical compound and the type of a changing of a slowly and unparticipate to be the nearly fixed as the parameters. Water contact temperature could changes the rapidly effect, and the switchyard and the constructions include the soil and the danger factors. An example of a consisting of a mixed rock, clay and others means if any humidity or a humidity has been occurred on it, that will be rocks and other things are has been provided on there to protect to a human body or a human person which has been working on a system from that natural lights. While the power frequency and the current injecting within the utilizing of an entire grounding system in the sleep and fronting of a light transient will be active and inductive effect which has been limit affected area grounding system during a sleep or a rise time of strikes. Means if the strikes has been increased, if the grounding has been loose or any other fault has been done, then the then that natural light has been occurred on our system and affect to our systems. So the properly grounding is required in this type of a system. Understanding the behavior of tools in the system, and here we have a best quality of lighting arresters and the insulators which has been used in transmission lines to protect the grounding systems and also protect the damages from their systems. And we have also another pick about the lighting arresters which has been used in other system out of a grid. That system has been installed on a systems. That one is using it's an insulator, and within an insulator we have using the grounding arresters which has been cable is going to connect within the ground, and then will be also that cable has been also connected with our system to protect them from a surge of natural lights or any flashing occur on our system. Here is also another one protective systems. That one is which has been used to protect on this. That is this one is the arresters which controls the natural lights. Here is a view of a grid which has been a clay or an little stones are available to control the rotational difference to to protect the human body or which operator which is operating the system in that type of a there has been a breakers which has been installed within a protective system. That type of a phase sequence and others are used to protect that. Transmission breaker is here. If the present design is giving to the additional factor which may be impact negatively on a switchyard equipment, is left to be discovered these thesis. A second important task of a grounding system is the discharge the fast transition means a properly system has been designed. A properly system is designed, then the shock or any damages will be controlled in microseconds means a properly guidance. It's an insulator, lighting arresters. I am talking about that arresters which has been a lighting arresters or a lighting arrestor dish which has been controls the natural lights, and that will be goes to the ground, toward the ground, to discharge it. Lighting arrestor within the bushings. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me and get the more videos like this. Thank you. Thank you. Please subscribe. If you have any confusion or any need any other topic like this, please comment below. I will be provide as soon as possible. Thanks for watching my video.